Today's best music.
Magic 89.9.
Yeah, so Barbie! Wonderful. Oh my God. You are a sight for sore eyes. You know, I haven't been so happy on a Taco Tuesday in so long. I think it's been a year. It's
2017?
Yeah. Is that the last time I saw you? 2017? Okay.
Yeah, in Boys Night Out talaga mismo.
Yeah.
How much do you miss Tony, Barbie?
A lot, syempre. Idol natin yun.
Can you, Barbie, one time lang, can you scream, Tony?
Tony! Gusto naman.
Oh my God.
Wala na.
Coming from our previous interview.
I love it.
What a change. No, wala. Hoy, don't. What'd you do? You turned it off.
Wait. When I clap.
Yeah.
Bakit ano tawag dyan sa outfit na yan?
Bra. Chore. Hindi lang to. Crop top.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So Barbie, what do you do usually? Because Tony is in Canada right now. Barbie, can you show?
Nakasal.
Can you show
Layo
Tony
niya, no?
your OOTD?
Ay, naka-andis lang ako. Joke lang. Hindi naka-ano. Joke lang.
My God.
Wow.
Naka-short naman.
Ayun.
Shorts ba yan? Ang
Ay, kasi sa house lang naman.
Oh, okay.
Oo naman. Pambahay shorts. Diba? Why not?
So that's how you dress up at home lang? Pang everyday lang?
O, ano
lang talaga, yung mahilig lang talaga ako sa parang boyish na t-shirt.
Mm-hmm.
Mas maganda wala kang t-shirt, I think, for honestly. It brings out your...
kasi.
Oh, the crop top brings out
kasi diba, mahirap kasi minsan mag-bra sa bahay.
I wanted to ask you that. I wanted to ask Barbie, you know,
yes.
Sue Ann Doodles, what's her name? Her real name, Sue Ann, the artista. Si Sue Ann Dodds. Bayon. She actually was getting bashed the other day. Was it yesterday or Monday? Sunday. She posted a photo of her skateboarding. Wala siyang bra.
Sue Ramirez.
Oo, talaga?
So she
naman, ba't siya kailangan i-bash?
Yeah, so
freedom name.
Well, she's very well endowed. Sa sobrang, I guess, she's very voluptuous as well. So she was skateboarding and she posted photos. And it's like, you know, you can see everything.
Nag-wild.
Yeah. And a lot of people were bashing her, saying, she doesn't like wearing a bra because it's uncomfortable. Masakit eh.
Totoo naman. Hindi kasi minsan nakakahinga.
Yeah. I think that was her point was, you know, why can guys not wear bras and not be judged by posting being shirtless? But women, you know, we get bashed for not wearing a bra. And, you know, just...
Or pag nag-post ang daming likes, diba?
Yeah.
Pero yung boys naman kasi yung iba naman kasi diba hindi naman kayo nag-debrief. So yung iba sa inyo nagba-boxer. So para yun naman yung pang fresh air nyo din.
Yeah. Actually, you make a good point. I enjoy boxers more than...
Meron ding iba na walang brief at all. Walang boxers, walang brief. Pwede rin.
Siyempre, sa house. Relax lang.
We don't get bashed. We actually get get
comments pa.
Complimented. Yeah, may compliments pa.
Bakit kami? Porket ganon.
Diba, when a girl doesn't wear panties, how many girls do I know that don't wear panties? Guys will like, ano ka ba? Hindi ka nag-panty. But with guys, hey, I went commando.
Yeah.
Yeah, went to the bank.
Pag nakainom.
Pag nainom ka.
Pag umuwi ako from, you know, pag medyo tipsy ka na, wad ka lang, lahat, natulog. Ganun. Diba?
All natural. Okay.
Barbie, gusto mo uminom ulit?
Umiinom naman din ako minsan dito sa bahay mag-isa.
What do you like to drink?
All alcohol. Joke! Ano ba? Ang pinakamasarap kasi for now, yung soju.
Yung soju.
Soon may ano tayo, may ducks.
May promo,
Papromo si Dax.
Mahilig ka ba sa duck shawarma? Shawarma pala.
Okay,
may promo on ducks. Shawarma.
Papadala ka ni Tones ng
Ang
Dax.
tanay naman ng name, Ducks. Yummy, no? Pangalan pa lang, yummy na.
Ayun. Sample.
Boys. O kaya Tones, pasojo ka naman.
In a sexy
like
way.
gusto mo sabihin, no?
In a sexy way naman.
Tony, pasojo ka naman. Okay lang ba?
Yung...
Ano, subo o soju?
Soju.
Alayo mo?
Nagtitiktok ka ba, Barbie?
I try once. 3 kanta ng TikTok. Tapos, hinaid ko na siya. Naiyak kasi ako yun.
Anong song?
Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang.
Yung ano ba yung uso that time? Paparang pam-pam.
Paparang.
Baka pwede request ni Direct, midnight. Baka daw pwedeng ano
ba yung dance steps?
Sample.
Hindi kasi talaga ako nagti-TikTok. Dancer ako. Pero naiiyak kasi ako sa TikTok mag-post ako.
Pero dancer ka.
I'm a singer-dancer.
Oh, wow. Tapos ikaw pa yung nahiya. Ang dami na sa TikTok na hindi dancer.
Ayun nga. Uy, kamusta ka naman? Ganon.
May beso ba?
May kasama.
Meron.
May beso. May beso sa may kasama.
May kasama. Guy. May kasama siyang guy. Mga friends niya.
Kumusta yung
Nag-hi
beso?
lang ako.
May mali siya yung beso niya?
Wala.
Nagpa-soju. Tama yung tanong. Nagpa-soju ba?
Buhay na naman si
Kevin,
Midnight.
may soju ba?
Buhay na naman si Midnight. Tulog-tulugan to 1 linggo. Buhay ka na naman.
Ay, congrats, Samoy G,
Oy, thank you.
Congratulations.
Siyempre.
Updated si Barbie,
Hindi kasi lahat kayo na-follow ko na kasi nga, di ba, I was in Boys Night Out before.
Tagal na yun.
Oo, sobrang tagal.
I think you were one of the first few Taco Tuesday guests.
Excuse me, sorry?
Taco Tuesday, you were one of the first.
Yan.
Slip.
Tsaka natakot ako doon.
Yan.
Yan na.
Ayan.
Mga ganun yun.
Hulog ang buwan.
Okay, so what is your TikTok?
Maya, hindi ko kasi nandun sa app.
Hindi
mo kabisado.
Okay.
Hindi kasi hindi ko siya. So, I drink alcohol also. Midnight pag hindi ako makasleep.
So, what's your best dish that you can cook up?
Spicy caldereta.
Spicy caldereta.
Mahilig ka sa manghang.
Kasi hot ako. Choke!
Yun.
Joke lang.
Speaking of hot, where's the hottest place that you
Joke lang.
Where's the craziest place, Barbie?
Craziest place? For me, sa Japan. Yung pinuntahan namin nung...
Okay. In the middle of the street?
Yung sinabi mo sa kanya, wag dito. Delikado.
Siguro yung parang yung midnight na kasi tas nag-park pa siya somewhere para lang mag-say goodbye to me.
Yan.
Sabi ko, ba't kailangan dito mo kadadalhin?
Bakit sa dilim ka nag-goodbye?
Ayos.
Bakit ka nag-goodbye sa walang gwardya?
Pag sa harap ng bahay.
Bakit sa parking lot?
Hindi kasi nga strict yung parents ko sa Japan. So kailangan umuwi.
So
kailangan niya.
So dinala ka sa parking lot bago mag-buy?
Doon yung goodbye nangyari. Yun yung nagpag-good nung goodbye.
Goodbye ba yun? Parang hindi
there's always a good... There's always something good.
Oo, sa inyo.
Teka, mapunta tayo sa mga mga turn off mo. Napag-usapan natin what turns you on. Ano naman yung mga turn off?
Turn off yung mga guy na laging sinasabi na hindi ako katulad ng ibang guy. Parang ibahin mo ako sa kanila. Pero end of end of the day, same lang yung ginawa niya dun sa last time.
Marami ba ang lalaki nagsasabi yon? Ang dami.
Ang dami. I experience kasi. Like ko, ayoko ng ganito, ayoko ng ganito. Hindi ako ganon, don't worry. So, sige, try natin.
Tapos
end of the day, nakaka-disappoint. Tsaka ayoko yung guy na parang papangunahan ka na. Sigurado ka, wala akong boyfriend. Sabi ko, bakit kita i-date kung may boyfriend ako? Diba? Parang lagi na lang na-judge yung ibang girls.
Pero, speaking of that, may boyfriend ka ba ngayon? Are you dating anyone?
Yan, si Gino Boy.
Ang ganda, Gino, ha? Ang ganda, Gino. Pasok mo, ha?
Ganda.
Naka-play ka ba pag sinabi ko? Char!
Uy!
I keep it private.
Gino's gonna...
Keep it private.
Gino,
Sa dak shawarma mo na.
Gino, paki-fucking resume.
Ayun yung business mo, shawarma.
Lahat kami.
Lahat kami.
Talaga? Nice naman.
Duck shawarma, may extra special white sauce pa kasama.
Tali na extra special white sauce, ha?
Pops, may nagre-request si Ronnie, no? Sabi niya, pwede daw na mag-request ng hi, Faxstone, please.
Ano?
Hello there, Faxstone, please. Faxstone.
Hello there, Faxstone?
Oo, medyo sultry.
Hi there, Faxstone, please.
Yeah.
Ganon?
Nakakamiss mag-fax.
Fax ang fax, ha?
Fax is the best.
Wala nang Faxstone kasi airdrop na lang eh. Ngayon airdrop na lang eh.
Email na lang.
Do you have a favorite saying?
Ako? Saang favorite saying?
Anything. Anything inspirational, you know.
Ako, the food. Medyo nakakaloka. Sorry.
Very good.
Walang kainan na ata.
Pero at least you're honest, ha? Honesty.
Hindi kasi syempre na experience ko kasi before yung ex ko na sabi niya sa staff daw niya, nagluto daw ng ganito sa office. Sabi ko, ganun ba? O sige, starting tomorrow, I'll be the one to cook like that. Kaya ganun din ako na.
Hala, naging competitive, ha?
Diba? Pero challenge din as a girlfriend, diba? Bakit mo kakainin yung luto ng iba?
Kung meron naman yung
ako.
Kung pwede mo naman kainin yung sa akin. Diba?
Yes.
Always available.
I wanna try your
Si Tones kain na eh.
Look at his eyes!
I wanna eat.
Yun, maalaga ko eh. Head to foot.
Uy, head to foot.
Wow, full body.
You give massages as well? Mga massage?
Yes. I'm very good in massage.
Really?
Yes.
Where do you start off? Like, let's just say you were gonna give a massage to your loved one. What's the first place that you would massage?
Siyempre yung ulo.
Ulo muna.
Saan yun? Which ulo?
Para relax.
Papagod na naman ako.
Dito niya sa ulo para relax mo na siya.
So from the head talaga.
Head to foot na daw.
Always naman lahat.
So you aim to please when you massage?
Teka, sorry Slick, tatanungin ko lang yung converse kay Gino. Ano naman ang last part na minamasahe mo?
Ha? Siyempre yung baba.
Yung paa? Paa?
Yung legs.
Okay. Very good, very good.
Nice.
Look at Toads. Toads is like, can I get my vaccine now? Come on.
Si Direct Midnight.
Kailan mo uwi? DJ Tony.
Yan.
Para sa'yo bukas daw. Bukas uwi na yan.
What else do you want from him, Barbie?
Hindi kasi is very sweet kasi talaga din naman. Tapos, iba, sila sa G, napaka bait nila sa amin nung kami ng friend ko na in-interview nila kami dun sa
Mabait talaga yan. Mabait talaga yung mga yan.
Siyempre.
Now we have Gino. Iba to.
Kaya
Sa aming apat, Barbie, sa tingin mo, ipapaiyak ka sa aming apat, sino?
Heartbreaker.
Ipapaiyak?
Heartbreaker.
Sa lungkot Sa lungkot.
Sa lungkot.
Kasi kung sarap, malamang si Tones na yan. Alam na natin yan.
Yung may iyak ako dahil sinasaktan ako. So, feeling ko si Gino.
Talaga?
Bakit si Gino?
Tama naman.
Gino pa ako. Ako, Barbie,
Kasi,
saka nagkamali.
Yung mga may toys sa likod ng background. Alam mo na yung mga yan.
Kasi parang ang dami. Pag kay Gino kasi parang, ba yan? Lagi na lang bang may kaagaw.
Naku, yan ang naisip. Naku, mali ka dyan, Barbie. Mali ka dyan.
Hindi ako sure. Hindi ko pa naman
ba, Barbie? Psychic ka? Kasi ang galing mo. Ang galing mo maghula.
Hindi. Ko lang sa face niya kasi.
Okay. So you're reading his face.
Sino sa tingin mo, Barbie?
Naku.
Ay, eto na.
Ang sarap
Challenge.
ikutin.
Mapapaikot mo siya sa daliri mo pero iikot din yung daliri niya. Yan yung paalam mo.
Talaga ba?
May message daw si Direct Midnight. Pwede daw ba i-kiss yung screen para sa mga viewers?
Ayun.
Hi!
Yan, oo.
Like, can you get close?
Yung mas malaki.
Hindi flying kiss.
Nakatayo naman daw.
You have to get like near your
Nag-request sila eh.
Ayun.
Ano ba yung kiss? Char.
Exciting. Okay.
We have, before we move on, we have the good time, short time, long time.
Joke time.
And joke time. So that's our 4 categories. It's joke time, good time, short time, long time. So you have to put...
Wait lang dyan ako pinabahan last time kasi isang damit na lang maubaran na ako.
Hindi. This one, wala.
Wala to.
I mean, unless gusto ko.
O hindi.
Exactly.
Wala na din pag natanggal na to.
Pero ito, so you have to put each one of us in a category. So your joke time is your funny friend. Yun lang. Nothing's gonna happen.
Kwentuhan
It's just like,
lang.
Kwentuhan lang. Tapos, good time is, say, your coffee friend. Na, okay, hey, let's get some coffee or let's get some boba or whatever. Tapos, yung short time is someone fling. That's a summer fling. Tapos, yung long time is someone that you see as parang boyfriend, girlfriend. So, who would you put as your joke time?
Joke time? Isang my G. I love his joke talaga. Sa mga post niya, pa nagpa-post siya kahit sobrang nakakatawa. Nakaka-good vibes.
Witty ka, bro.
Funny guy.
Post ka pa, Sam.
Post more.
Yung influencer ko, nawawala.
Alright, so next one is good time. Pang coffee. Pang boba, milk tea, whatever.
Ikaw.
Ayun.
Gino!
Tama kasi yung boba, Ashley.
Ano to?
Boba, milk tea lang.
Ito na. This is the category of choice. Next, Barbie, who is your short time? Pang fling lang, pang kaswalan, pang enjoy lang.
Gino.
Yun.
Thank you. Hindi ako pang relationship. Thank you.
Hindi naman. I mean, kasi nga, feeling ko ang dami ko nga kasi magiging kaagaw sa'yo. Mas stress lang ako. Ayoko nang gano'n.
Okay, then.
Parang di mo kilala si Tones Si Tones tayo.
So, why is Tony your long time?
Long time.
Siguro kasi, for me, para siyang, pag naging boyfriend mo siya, talagang, wala na, yun na yun, parang hanggang kasala na yung dating.
Galawang ideal guy. Parang ganon.
Oo, ganon. Ganon si DJ Tony for me.
Galawang ideal guy, di ba? Stability.
Thank you.
Everything you could look for.
Welcome.
All right. So thank you.
Multiple flying cases. Momol na yun sa dami.
Medyo. It's like, whoa, that's a little bit too much, bro. But okay, keep doing your thing.
Pandemic.
Now, Barbie, how can people follow you? I know they want to see more of you.
Okay, they can follow me at my Instagram. I love _Barbie Takei. My Facebook page, Playmate _Barbie Doll. My Facebook is Barbie Takei. Kasi nahack yung Facebook ko before.
Oh, nahack
Okay. Do you
Okay, so that's your new one.
You want to say hi to anyone? Say thank you to anyone? Yeah.
Okay.
Can.
And follow also my Laika up, Barbie _Doll. Thank you so ano kasi yung bata? Ito. Shout out to Team Tipolo Point Ada, kay Boss John Paul Punsalan. Hi. Sir Eric Son Lauren George Molin. Hi to Mama Raquel, belated happy birthday. Shout out to all my co-models there. Belated happy birthday to Princess Loreto. Hi to my best friend Abigail. Bon voyage to your flight this Friday. Please follow Pau Pau Closet in IG and FB page. Shout out to Mama Angela Rose at Tommy Kim. Mecca Portugal. Hi to my Waiso family. And Sister Coco. Hi to my crush, Mark Jason Juan. Get well soon to my friend, to our lovely friend, Franco Manabat. And hi to my family there in Japan.
All right.
Domo arigato,
Barbie. Arigato.
Domo arigato. Enjoy ba kayo?
Oo naman.
Alam mo, kita-kita tayo in personal. Lalo ka na, Gino.
Oo nga, hindi ako nakasama last time. Next time, when 2030? 2030 na ba tayo to?
Ang tagal naman nun.
I'll send you his address sa bahay. You can just visit. Siya lang naman sa bahay.
Thanks.
Uy, nakafollow ako sa'yo, Gino. Tsaka sa lahat sa inyo.
Oo naman. Yes. Follow lang si Barbie. Thank you very much, Barbie.
Thanks, Barbie.
Thank you so much. Thank you also to Talent High.
Yes, Nielsen, thank you very much.
Nielsen.